listening to the birds in the trees here. And every time I hear the first sounds that come to me are the birds chirping when a new day is dawning. And it reminds me that with every new day comes new life and hope for a better future. Coming out of this pandemic, for me, I see it as a time of Huli'ia. Huli'ia is a time of change. And as we come out of this change, I'm hoping that all of us will be more compassionate, more loving and appreciation and, being caring and more patience with each other. And that as a new day dawns, we'll be much better off tomorrow morning. Aloha.
So the theme for this Prince Lot Festival this year, I think it is very relevant. Hopefully that, as we come out of this pandemic, or that we are coming out of this pandemic, that we see a bright new future ahead of us, and that we can push forward and push through, and think of it maybe perhaps as a start of a new beginning, and that we can all grow and re-energize from the situation and hopefully be able to push forward.
Wa'ua'au is a new day. So as Mokukapava is the dawning, it's that first break that comes up over at Kumukahi. It's that first break. So it's seeking that, seeing what is going to be, what will be, and what is. It's awakening of our people and to know that the sources are out there, that you just need to seek it, to gain it, and you got to look to your na'au, always. Trust in your na'au in the things that you do, because it will always be pono, no matter what.